I work hard every day, I work hard every day,
Man, it's been a while. Whoa, what is going on, everybody on YouTube and Rebels? Welcome back to Simply Red TV. And today, man, we got something special for you guys, man. We got an unboxing video. Now, I know it's been a while. I know we haven't done an unboxing in a minute, man. That's because we really haven't been buying that much stuff. We haven't been doing that much online shopping. But yeah, man, this is a pickup I had to get. I feel like it's going to greatly improve the videos, especially the custom videos. And yeah, man, we're just going to get into it. Big, hefty box right here. You know what I'm saying? That says Kshioe? I can't pronounce it. But yeah, man, big box. Takes up the entire table. As you can see, takes up the entire table. You know what I'm saying? I'm probably going to push the camera back just so we can get some pristine footage. So let me, hold on 1 minute. But yeah, man, these came in early. These weren't supposed to be here till Tuesday. It's Saturday. These came in about 3-4 days early. So shout out to eBay. Shout out to Kshioe for the fast shipping, man. Really appreciate that. But we're gonna get into the box. I'm gonna take the phone off of the tripod and show y'all what's in the box. Can y'all guess what's in the box? You know what I'm saying? Anybody who can guess what's in the box down below before I unbox it, you know what I'm saying? Let me know. You might get something for free. Maybe. Alright, man, I got a regular box cutter, man. I don't have no extravagant box opener. But yeah, we're gonna get into this right now. If you guys can guess what's in here, man, you know what I'm saying? You probably know already. But we're gonna get into it. Big box. Little box. Another little box. This bag has something in there. Something in there, of course. I don't know what it is. Another bag with something in there. And 2 long boxes. Seems like that's all that's in there. Got a little note. I guess that's like instructions or something like that. Yeah, okay. Yep, that's instructions. But yeah, that's all that's in the box. You know what I'm saying? Get this out of the way. Alright guys, this is one light. It's set up, if I'm saying, pretty big. So imagine this times 2 sitting over here in this like area right here. So I'm gonna be in the circumference from like here to here. Like this is gonna be mainly where I'm at. You know what I'm saying? I'm just about to cut it on real quick so y'all can see how much brighter it is with this. And that's with just one light for one side. It illuminates pretty damn well. Look at how crispy white that looks. You know what I'm saying? That's just one side. Imagine we got both shining. No, you're not gonna see no, none of that other stuff. But yeah, man, it's looking pretty dope so far. It's pretty dope, pretty bright, and that's with the cover on it. But yeah, back to it. Alright guys, got both of them set up. So this is pretty much my setup right now. Excuse the table because I'm working on a custom, as you guys can see. Try to guess what colorway that is. That's part of the fall pack. The fall colorway pack. Guess what color that is down below. You know what I'm saying? If you can guess what color it's gonna be. But yeah, man, setup's all done. I'm probably gonna cut both of them on now just so you guys can get a visual of what it's gonna look like. You know, now in the videos, probably gonna be much brighter, much more airier than it usually is, and I think you guys are gonna like it. So let me cut off the light real quick. Boom, one. Oh. Two. Look how bright the setup is gonna be, you guys. Quality. Good quality lighting. This is gonna be illuminated. So from now on, this is what you guys are gonna be seeing while I'm time lapsing. Or pretty much this, or this, or even overhead views. You know what I'm saying? You never know. Now that we got this good quality lighting, you guys, it's gonna be on and popping. But yeah, man, shout out to Kshioe for sending, you know what I'm saying, for sending these in super quick. Kshioe, or whatever, however you pronounce it, you feel me, you heard me, whatever. But yeah, man, these lights pretty small, they're not that big, you know what I'm saying. You see them from back here, they're not really that big. They take up a nice, you know, about the same amount of space as my old lamp. My old lamp is just skinnier, doesn't have these box heads. But yeah, man, good quality setup, you know what I'm saying. That's super bright. Look at that, man. So dope, so dope, man, so dope. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? That's good lighting. Look how they reflect off of these right here. Something I just messed around with. Oh man, look at those Angelus colors just glistening in that light. Look at the range. You like these, man? I bet he likes these. But yeah, man, custom video coming soon. This is just a quick setup, and you know, just to give you guys an update. Like, we are investing. You know, I am investing in making these videos better for you guys, better quality, stuff like that, man. Gonna turn the camera around, talk a little bit more, and then we're gonna get out. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? This was just a quick setup video, nothing really too serious. The setup is super dope. I got both lights on each side of me right now. That's why I look, you know, all, you know, light skinned and not dark as I usually look. I like it. It's kind of weird right now, but I'm sure I'll adjust to having these big boxes just sit on side of me. But yeah, man, just another video. We got more custom videos coming, man. If you want customs, I'm saying my social medias are down in the description below. Follow me on all of those: Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Hit me up on any one of those that you have. We always doing customs. We like to do one of a kinds, but we can create something for you, anything like that. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I don't say that enough. All the new people, man, we got tons of stuff coming. Y'all hit the subscribe button, man. Hit the subscribe button. We are at almost 110 subscribers now. So we're climbing and climbing, and people are interacting, whether it be good comments, bad comments. We want all of you guys' feedback, whether it be good, bad, in the comments below. That's how we make these videos better and better each time we drop them. But I'm not gonna keep you guys long. I got a parade I gotta hit, another video, a vlog coming real soon. But yeah, man, vlog, customs, they're all coming. I'm getting them out as fast as I can, you guys. I appreciate you guys' patience with me. The giveaway is still, you know, in the making. I'm still trying to figure some things out. You know what I'm saying? Money's funny right now, but it is coming. I'm going to give something away to you guys for getting me to 100 subscribers. I appreciate you guys. I really do. But man, that's it for right now. Y'all stay positive. Bless up. Stay rare. Simply rare. Peace.